Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 10 miles south of Mount Vernon and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Damier, Danville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.